Good morning students, this is Prakash and welcome back to MBA Math channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about formulas, means all the formulas for class 10th, especially only math subject only we are going to discuss. So chapter wise what all the topics are there and topic wise how many formulas are there, so we are going to discuss now. Means I am going to tell all the formulas by chapter wise, so you no need to revise and you no need to read each and every time from the book. Just listen this video once every day so that all the formulas will be there in your mind. So let's get into that. First chapter we have your real numbers. So real numbers pathina there is only one formula, and that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So this is the one and only one formula. And let's move to the chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, polynomials. In the polynomial chapter, first standard form of an polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Then sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Then product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Next formula, when zeros are given, to find out the quadratic polynomial formula, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros is equal to 0, or x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. 0 we can take, or we can take p of x is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. You no need to take because we have taken p of x equal to already. That's fine. Next, let's move to the chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. So this chapter is divided into two halves. First half we have geometrical method, and second half we have algebraic method. So in the first half, in the geometrical method, we have three kinds of lines. First one, intersecting lines. Intersecting line formula, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Before that, let us discuss the standard form of a linear equation in two variable. For first equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is for the first equation. And second equation, general formula, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Next, in geometrical method, there are three kinds of lines, as I said one already. So in that first one, intersecting line, unique solutions, we will say unique solution means for this only one solution will be there. For that formula is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is called intersecting line, and the solution is unique. Next, coincident line. Coincident line formula, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Solutions, infinitely many solution. And last one, parallel lines. Formula, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is parallel line, and the solution here we don't have, so we will say no solution. So these are the three lines and it is formulas. In the second half, we don't have any formula because there are two methods, substitution method and elimination method. That's it. Let's move to the chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, we have quadratic equation. So quadratic equation standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the polynomial chapter, we don't take equal to 0. In this chapter, we take equal to 0. Then we have one formula in this to find out the roots for the quadratic equation formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the first half one formula, and second half we have nature of roots. Nature of roots, there are three cases that depend upon the d discriminant. First we will find out the d value, d equal to b square minus 4ac. If d is equal to 0, then we will say two real and equal roots. Then second case, if d greater than 0, then two different roots, or we can say two real and different roots. Then third case, d less than 0. If d less than 0, then we say imaginary roots, means there is no real roots for the equation. Let's move to the chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression also divided into two halves. First half fully covered by nth term formula, and second half we have sum of nth term. So first, general formula of a AP. A comma a plus d comma a plus 2d etc. Where a means first term, d means common difference, and d common difference formula second term minus first term, or we can say a2 minus a1. Then nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d, or we can say L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a means first term, n means number of terms, d means common difference. Next, let's move to the second half. Second half, sum of n term formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here also the explanation same. N means number of terms and a means first term, d is the common difference. In sum of nth term we have one more formula when last term is given. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. This is all about fifth chapter. Let's move to the sixth chapter. Sixth chapter, there is no any formulas, just we have some theorems and some basic definitions are there. In that the important definitions are congruent triangles and similar triangles. Congruent means what? Same shape and same size. Similar means same shape. Next, similar triangle definitions. If the triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal, sides are proportional. This is very important criteria for the similar triangles, and criteria is already I think you know. So let's move to the chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry also we have two halves. In that second half is deleted for this year. So in the first half, first formula we have distance between 2 points, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next, distance from origin, square root of x square plus y square. Next, midpoint formula we have x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Next, we have a section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 m2 m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Next, we have centroid formula. Centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Another formula, or we can say condition for the equidistance. Equidistance formula we have there ax is equal to bx, where x under the anga equidistance kind of points and a and b are the other points. Next, we have one more condition in the same chapter for collinear. AB plus BC is equal to AC. So this is all about coordinate geometry formulas. So let's move to the trigonometry chapter. So trigonometry also we have a lot of formulas. First we will see, in trigonometry we will discuss only right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, all three sides have a different names. That right angle opposite is called hypotenuse, angle opposite is called perpendicular, and the remaining side is called base. So based on this, we have a trigonometric ratios formulas. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. And let's take reciprocal formulas. Sin theta reciprocal formula 1 by cosecant theta, cos theta reciprocal formula 1 by secant theta, tan theta reciprocal formula 1 by cot theta, and then tan theta is equal to, we have sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to, we have cos theta by sin theta. Then trigonometric ratio means the table value. Sin 0 value 0, sin 30 degree value 1 by 2, sin 45 degree value 1 by root 2, sin 60 value root 3 by 2, sin 90 value 1. For cos theta, sin values just in the reverse order. Then tan theta value, sine and cos, if you divide, you will get the tan theta value. These two you no need to memorize. Next, we have three identities. First one, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. And then secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And third one, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So these are the three identities. So let's move to the chapter number 9. And chapter number 9 also, application of trigonometry, as we discussed already, same. In chapter 10 there is no any formulas, only we have theorems, circle chapter. And 11th chapter is deleted. 12th chapter's area related to circles. So here we have some more formulas. So first one, area of circle formula pi r square, area of semicircle formula pi r square by 2, area of quadrant pi r square by 4. Next, area of square formula, side into side or side square. Next, area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. Now let's come to the important formula in this chapter, area of sector, or we will say minor sector. Area of minor sector formula, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Area of major sector formula, area of circle minus area of minor sector. Next, area of segment formula. So area of minor segment formula, we have area of sector minus area of triangle. Then area of major sector, we have formula area of circle minus area of minor segment. So these are the important formulas in the sector, means area related to circle chapter. And let's move to the 13th chapter, volume and surface area. Here we have so many so many formulas. Let's start with the cube. Cube, there are three formulas. We will say total surface area, lateral surface area and volume. So let's start with the lateral surface area of cube formula, 4a square. Total surface area of square formula, 6a square. Volume of square formula, a cube. Let's take the cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid formula, 2 into L plus B into H. And total surface area of cuboid formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And finally, volume of cuboid formula, length into breadth into height. Now let's take cylinder. Cylinder also we have a three formula. In that first one, curved surface area of cylinder formula, 2 pi r h, where r means radius, h means height of the cylinder. Then total surface area of cylinder formula, 2 pi r into h plus r. Then the last one, volume of cylinder formula, pi r square h. Next, the last one, cone. Cone also we have a three formulas. Curved surface area of cone formula, pi r l. And total surface area of cone, pi r into l plus r. And then the last one, volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. And second half we had frustum of cone. Anyhow the topic is deleted, so no need that formula. And let's move to the statistics. Statistics also is very important chapter, and there we have so many formulas. So first, mean we have three formula, means three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. First, mean direct method formula, x bar equal to summation fx by summation f, where x means class mark, or we can say mid value. To find out class mark, x is equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. F means frequencies. Summation f means nothing but sum of all the frequencies. Next, assumed mean method formula, x bar is equal to a plus summation f d divided by summation f, where d is equal to x minus a, where x means again the same thing, upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Then the last one, step deviation method, x bar is equal to a plus summation f u divided by summation f into h. So here also u is equal to x minus a by h. Here a means assumed mean taken in middle of x. H means class size. We can find using this formula for class size. upper limit minus lower limit. If you subtract any class, you will get the h value. And then let's go to the mode. Mode, we have formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 into, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So let me repeat once again. Mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here in the mode, first we have to choose the modal class. How to choose modal class in direct model? Highest frequency which the modal class choose pandro. Adukku adutha vandu F1 under the frequency of the modal class, F0 under the modal class before இருக்கிற frequency, F2 under the after the frequency. அதாவது modal class choose பண்ணிருப்போம், அதுக்கு next வருது F2 value. And L under the lower limit of the modal class. Modal class select பண்ணிருப்போம் இல்லீங்களா, அதுல lower limit. H under the again same class size. Next, modal class indirect model எப்படி எடுக்கிறது அப்படின்னா, the given mode we have to check in the class interval. அது பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் வந்து modal class எடுக்கணும். அதாவது mode and median ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா modal class, median ல median class first நம்ம select பண்ணணும். Okay, let's come to the median. Median formula L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So n by 2 under n அப்படின்னா summation of frequencies, means sum of all the observations. CF under the cumulative frequency and F under the frequency of the median class, L under the lower limit of the median class, H under the class size. So here how to choose median class? அதாவது இது direct model. Indirect model அப்படி நம்ம எந்த question சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா missing frequencies F1 F2 கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லீங்களா, அதுதான் வந்து indirect model அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்போ direct modelல median class எப்படி எடுக்கிறதுனா n by 2 value cumulative frequency ல எங்க லை ஆகுது, எங்க வருதோ அது வச்சு தான் நம்ம median class எடுக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? Next, median class indirect model எப்படி எடுக்கிறதுனா given median we have to check in the class interval. அதாவது mode and median ரெண்டுமே indirect model எப்படி பண்ணுவோம்னா given answer நம்ம class interval ல check பண்ணிட்டு தான் median class or modal class choose பண்ண போறோம். Okay, and last chapter we have probability. So probability la main standard formula பாத்தீங்கன்னா P of E, அதாவது probability of any event is equal to n of E by n of S. Probability of any event equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. And one more formula, probability of happening event plus probability of not happening event is equal to 1. That we will say in another way, P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. Third formula we have probability, means sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1. Next, the probability answer lies between 0 to 1. More than 1 on the answer எப்பவுமே probability chapter la போவாது. So in the next video பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are going to upload chapter wise, அதாவது first average students how to get a pass mark அப்படின்றவங்களுக்கு important questions and topics explain பண்ணி போர்ட்ல போட போறோம். So thank you so much for watching. To still now நம்ம சேனலை subscribe பண்ணல அப்படின்னா subscribe பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதே மாதிரி bell button வந்து press பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க, because then only you will get whatever we will upload, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Good night. Thank you.